Start. Kolkata. The Bengal government and Adani Group were still in talks with the center on the Tajpur deep seaport. State Industries Minister Shashi Panja said on Sunday. Panja was speaking to the media at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi at the closing of the India Industrial Trade Fair. During her speech at BGBS, CM Mamta Banerjee had told industrialists that they could participate in the tender for the port that required investment of rupees 25,000 crore, leading to speculation on the Adani Group's association with the project. Para. When asked about Tajpur port, Panja pointed out that a provisional letter of intent had been granted to Adani Ports, the highest bidder. The requisite permission was then sought from the Ministries of Defence, Shipping, External Affairs and Home Affairs. The Ministry of Home Affairs has given a conditional security clearance and made certain observations, she told TOI. Para. The minister added that Adani Group and the state government had sought clarification from the Union Home Ministry and the communication was still on. Para. Incidentally, Karan Adani, director of Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, was handed over the letter of intent for the port last year. Gautam Adani had also visited the last edition of BGBS. Para. The Bengal cabinet had approved the Adani proposal to set up the deep sea port in September 2021. JSW Infrastructure had also put forward its bid. Apart from direct employment for 25,000 people, the greenfield port would create indirect earning opportunities for many more. The successful bidder was to be given 125 acres of seafront to develop the port and another 1,000 acres 4 km away for port-linked industrial development. Para. Panja told reporters in Delhi, an attempt has been made by the opposition to make misleading claims about this project. These are unwarranted. The project will be completed within the stipulated time frame. Para. Bengal BJP leaders had claimed that Adani Group had quit plans for the unfeasible deep sea port project and sought fresh land from the state to set up a port in Mandarmani, around 20 km away from Tajpur. Stop.